Hello friends, today we are working on derivational sort number 42. This sort looks at several more Latin roots. Our first Latin root is Judd. Judd means to judge. When we apply that meaning to our anchor word prejudice, we find out that if you have a prejudice, you have an opinion formed without all of the facts. So you are judging someone without all of the facts. Another word on your list that has the Judd Latin root is adjudicate. To adjudicate means to settle by a judicial decision or a judgment. To misjudge someone means that you formed an incorrect opinion of someone based on the facts that you had. You might notice that our next two columns have the exact same Latin root. This is because one form of the leg root means law, while the other one means to read. Let's dive into these two Latin roots. Our first column is dealing with leg as in law. Something that is legalistic is related to the law and following it. If you legislate, you are working to create laws. In our Pledge of Allegiance, we are promising to have loyalty to a country or cause. When we say the Pledge of Allegiance every morning, we are saying that we will be loyal to the United States of America. Another word dealing with the law is a legacy. A legacy is something that is legally left to a person. The second form of our Latin root, leg, refers to being able to read. For example, our anchor word, legible, literally means able to be read easily. If something is illegible, it is not able to be read easily, while a legend is something that is read to others. Our next Latin root is mod, which means to measure or a manner of doing something. For example, our anchor word moderate means average in amount, so you're measuring the amount or intensity of something. The word mode means a type or method, while a modification means that you are changing the way you choose to do something. Our last Latin root is biblio, which is referring to books. A bibliography is a list of books or items that were used in order to complete something. You'll often find the bibliography in the back of a nonfiction text. A bibliophile can be described as a person who loves or collects books. Go ahead and sort the rest of your words this week. Remember, when you're sorting the first leg column, that is referring to being legal or of the law, while our second leg column refers to writing or being able to be read. How did you do? Did you notice that privilege goes in the law category for leg? That is because a privilege is something that's not given to everybody. However, it is often given to people who are obeying the law of the land. As you sort your words again this week, be sure to pay attention to the sentences that these words go in to determine the meaning of each word based on its root.